recycled objects.
Oh.
The alert tones you just heard indicate that your emergency alert system has been activated. This system, now being tested, is activated for Amber Alerts when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.